Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about how to solve linear inequality. Okay, so let's take a look at example number 1. 5 plus 2x less than 15. Okay, so how can we solve 5 plus 2x less than 15? So the best way to solve any linear equation or linear inequality, think of these sign. So if you have a plus sign, you're going to minus it, okay? If you have multiplication, you're going to divide it, okay? So that's I generally do. If you have a plus sign, subtract. If you have multiplication, you divide, or do vice versa, okay? So we want to solve for x. So we don't want that 5. So it's a positive 5. How can I get it a positive 5? I'm going to subtract 5, okay? I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. All right, so 5 and 5 cancel each other out. We have 2x less than 15 minus 5. That will be 10. Okay, now I have 2 times x, or 2x less than 10, right? So how can I get rid of that 2? Remember, now we have multiplication, we are going to divide. So we are going to divide both sides by 2. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So x will be less than 5. Okay. So the question is, well, why didn't you change the sign? We didn't change the sign because we didn't multiply or divide by a negative number. So it's a key information that you need to remember. Whenever we multiply or divide any inequality by a negative number, the sign will change, okay? So in this case, we don't have to change the sign. So now the question is, what does it mean, x less than 5? So it means you can take any value less than 5 and your inequality will make sense. So for example, 5 plus 2x less than 15. So it's saying as long as the x value is less than 5, this inequality will be true. Okay, so let's check. Let's say my x is 1. 1 is less than 5. So 5 plus 2 times 1 less than 15. So 5 plus 2 less than 15. So 7 less than 15. So is 7 less than 15? Yes. So as you can see, as long as the x value is less than 15, this inequality will always be true. Okay. But what's going to happen if you choose x equal to 5 or bigger than 5? It won't make any sense, okay? So that's what it means. I think I should also give you the number line. So let me draw the number line. This is my 0. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. All right, so I am going to choose 5. 5. Is it going to be an open circle or closed circle? It's going to be an open circle because there is no equal sign. Okay, so let me use a different color. So it's going to be an open circle. We're going to move left. Okay, we're going to move this way. You're going to shade this way. What does it mean? If you choose any number from this green section, your inequality will be true. And since we are not taking 5, 5 will be empty. We'll have open circle. Okay, so let's do one more example. So I have 5 minus 2x. Let's use greater than or equal to, let's choose 15. Okay, let's do 15. So let's do one more example. 5 minus 2x greater than or equal to 15. Let me call it example number 2. All right. If you want, you can pause the video and if you can try to solve this problem. Okay. All right. So let's try to solve it. So I want to solve for x. That means I don't want this 5. How can I get rid of this 5? I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. This 2 will cancel each other out. So we have negative 2x greater than or equal to 10. Now I have negative 2x greater than or equal to 10. Okay, so negative 2x and I have 10. I want to divide both sides by what? I want to divide both sides by negative 2. But I hope you remember from our example 1, I said whenever you multiply or divide any inequality by negative number, the sign will change, okay? So this greater than or equal to will become less than or equal to sign. So it's extremely important, okay? Let me say it one more time. Whenever you multiply or divide any inequality by a negative number, the number has to be negative, okay? The sign will change, okay? All right, let's take a look. So I have negative 2 cancel each other out. So I have x less than or equal to negative 5, okay? Now, obviously, the question is, what does it mean? It means you can choose any number that is less than 5 or equal to 5, and this inequality will make sense, okay? So let's choose a number that is less than negative 5. We have negative 6, negative 7. I'm going to choose negative 10, okay? So 5 minus 2x greater than or equal to 15. So in this case, we're going to choose x equal to negative 10, since x has to be less than or equal to negative 5. Let's see what we get. So 5 minus 2, x is equal to negative 10 greater than or equal to 15. So 5 plus 20 greater than or equal to 15. Now we have 25 greater than or equal to 15. Is 25 greater than or equal to 15? Yes, they are. So that means our answer does make sense, right? If you want, you can also choose negative 5. If you choose negative 5, you will have you will have 15 greater than or equal to 15. Since 15 can be equal to 15, that's fine too, okay? Let me use the number line so that you can see what's going on. So let's say this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my negative 5. Negative 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is my negative 10. So now how can we draw the number line? Well, our negative 5 is the number. Am I going to use an open circle or closed circle? It is going to be a closed circle, okay? Why closed circle? Because we have equal sign. And which way are we moving, to the right or to the left? So we're moving to the left, okay? Left. And as you can see, this sign is also suggesting that we have to move to the left. So this will be the number line, okay? So this will be the number line. Let me know if you have any question.